Hello everyone and welcome to today's case study. In this video, we are going to walk you through how we have helped a Florida-based company specializing in hurricane impact windows and doors, improving their Google AdWords campaign, leading to increased lead generation. If you are in the home improvement industry and struggling to get the most out of your Google AdWords, this case study will show you the strategies to turn your ad spend into high quality leads. In terms of the client overview, our client is a leading provider of hurricane impact windows and doors based in Florida. They offer premium high performance products designed to withstand the hurricane conditions. Their services include expert consultation, product customization, and the professional installation. Despite offering top tier designs, they were facing challenges in converting the online traffic into high quality leads. So now in terms of how the client reached us, the client approached us because their Google AdWords campaign were underperforming. They were not seeing the ROI they hoped for and wanted to optimize their campaign to generate more qualified leads. Count audit and the issues faced: broad campaign structure. The campaigns were too generalized, resulting in inefficient ad spend and the less targeted traffic. Ineffective keyword targeting. The ads were not focused on the high intent search terms, which made it harder to attract customers who were specifically looking for impact windows and the door solutions. Underperforming ad groups. Some of the ad groups were not properly aligned with the user intent, causing wasted budget on the less relevant keywords. Lack of remarketing. Visitors who showed interest but did not convert were not being re-engaged through the remarketing ads. Minimal ad extensions. The ads lacked valuable extension like the promotions or the free consultation, which could have enhanced the CTR. Solutions and the campaign optimization. First is the campaign restructuring. We have reorganized the campaigns into more targeted ad groups, focusing on specific products like hurricane impact windows, storm doors, and the custom windows installation. This made the ad more relevant to the searches and aligned with the user intent. The next is the targeted keyword strategy. We have focused on high intent keywords such as the hurricane impact windows, storm door installation, and hurricane protection windows in the Delray Beach. These keywords help attract users actively searching for these specific products and the services. The ad extensions and the callouts. We have added structured snippets, site links, and the callout like 20% off the prices and the free consultation, making the ads more informative and enticing to potential customers. And the next is the dynamic remarketing campaigns. We have implemented the dynamic remarketing ads to re-engage users who had previously visited the website but had not converted. These ads displayed the exact product the user had shown interest in with the call to action like get 20% off your window replacement today. Location targeting and the location based ads. Using geo-targeting, we have focused on areas in Florida that were more susceptible to hurricanes, such as the Palm Beach and the Broward counties. This ensured the ads reached homeowners who were most likely to need the impact windows and the doors. The next is the landing page optimization. We have collaborated with the client to optimize the landing pages, ensuring a smooth user experience once visitors click the ad. This included clear call to actions like the schedule appointment and get a free quote, directly matching the ad copy. The next is the conversion tracking and the data analysis. We have set up the enhanced conversion tracking and measuring action like the form submission, phone calls, and the appointment scheduling. This allowed us to continuously optimize the campaign based on the real-time data. The next is the Performance Max campaign implementation. We have launched the Performance Max campaign to enhance the reach across multiple Google properties. These campaigns were set up to use a mix of asset groups and the dynamically adjust bids based on the most profitable audience segments. Addressing the non-performing campaigns, we have identified the underperforming campaigns and have restructured them. Campaigns that were not yielding a good CPA were optimized by adjusting the keyword targeting, the ad copy and the bidding strategies. Keywords were refined to include high intent phrases like the hurricane impact windows in exact and phrase match to boost the relevance and the performance. So now in terms of the results, our targeted strategy delivered significant improvements for the client. So after implementing these changes and continuously optimizing the campaigns, we have generated 188 conversion per month with the cost per conversion of only $18. The client has seen an increase in installation, a ramp up in business. These results have led to significant bookings and the client is thrilled with the outcome. They are for now excited to move forward with us on Facebook ads as well to further boost the brand awareness. So now in terms of the conclusion, by restructuring the campaigns, refining the keyword targeting and optimizing the ad extensions, we were able to significantly improve the client's Google AdWords performance. The addition of remarketing and local targeting ensured the campaigns reach the right people at the right time with the right offer. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us through the WhatsApp number on the top right corner. We will be able to do the free audit of your Google AdWords account or your PPC account, and we'll be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any PPC campaigns running, you can still contact us through our WhatsApp number. You can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research and then we can get back to you with the plan of action on what exactly you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do make sure to like, subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.